Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast, too fast.
Got it, you got it.
Contact rod, contact rod.
Oh.
Look at move.
Sorry, kid. Sorry, kid.
Stay in, stay low.
Oh shit, Bobby got that. Oh, I got him, I got him.
Oh, they just hit my gun.
I'm gonna cover this direction. Woo. Ian, cover that.
On the container. What?
We just gotta hold it right now.
Watch that left side.
That's what I'm doing. I'm kind of trusting him right now.
You probably curve it around.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep him pinned down right there.
How many on that left side?
Hey, are they at that van?
Oh, there's two on this. One's on red truck.
I think we're holding it good right now.
I just don't know what all's in front of us.
Yeah. I'm just scared about them.
He got too far.
Those people over there, yeah. Okay, good, we have that dude. You just lit him up. Oh, crap. It. Holy crap, these are launching BBs.
Thanks for watching that short TDM, and comment if you want me to do like a top 10 or top 5 best airsoft.
Want to make out?
One of us will be there to help you. Whichever team can defeat.